In this lesson I'm going to be teaching about the command line. The command line is this area right down here at the bottom of your screen. To enter a command by using the keyboard, type the full command name on the command line and press enter or spacebar. Some commands also have abbreviated names. For example, instead of entering line to start the line command, you could just enter the letter L. So we're going to try it both ways here. Let's type in line for the line command. L-I-N-E, hit enter, and it executes the line command. Now let's escape to cancel the command and just type L and enter, and it does the same thing. When you enter commands on the command line, you see either a set of options or a dialog box. For example, if you enter the circle command, let's go ahead and do that, C-I-R-C-L-E, type enter, you'll see these options down here at the bottom of your screen. The options you see down here at the bottom of your screen just allow you different ways of executing the circle command, which will be discussed later on in a different chapter. The last thing I'm going to talk about on the command line is if you want to repeat a command, you don't have to type in the full command name again. You can just hit enter. So if you want to do the circle command again, all you have to do is hit enter, but it has to be the last command that you had just entered. For instance, I just hit enter again for circle. So say I did line, L for line, and I escaped, and I want to hit the line command again. All I have to do is hit enter again, and it executes the same command. As you become more of an expert with using Autocad 2009, you will find yourself frequently using the command line to enter commands and specify drawing options. Once again, we'll be using the command line extensively in future lessons. In the next lesson, we will explore the Autocad Design Center. Thank you.